Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil on your Acura MDX. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including a new oil filter and the correct type of engine oil. Safety is paramount, so properly lift your vehicle and secure it with jack stands before starting. Then, find the oil drain plug and position your drain pan to catch the old oil. This process is straightforward and saves you money. After locating the drain plug, carefully remove it and let all the old oil completely drain into your pan. This usually takes several minutes. Once empty, reinstall the drain plug, ensuring it's snug but not over-tightened. Next, remove the old oil filter. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the gasket of your new filter before spinning it on by hand until it's secure. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. And speaking of staying on top of things, remember to stay hydrated while working on your car. A refreshing drink from an Owala water bottle is perfect for any garage project. Check the description for a link to grab yours and other exclusive deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now it's time to add the fresh engine oil. Consult your owner's manual for the exact oil type and capacity, then carefully pour it into the fill port. After adding the oil, start your engine for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the level with the dipstick, adding more if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.